Hi, this is Jay Hart, and this is what I made with some Happy Mail that I received from Lynn Hasty of A Bit of Birdsong. So I still have lots of stuff left over, but this first thing I'll show you is, I don't know what it was. It sort of looked like a leg of a pair of pants, but it was this tube with a pocket here. So what I did was I opened up this, waistband, and I inserted this ribbon to make it a drawstring. So it's a little bag. And I forgot to mention that, it was just open here. So I just zigzagged the bottom closed. And now this probably needs some more decoration, like here. But this is what you can do. You take whatever you get, and it's a challenge to make something. So then she sent me several pages from a school yearbook. So I cut out some interesting heads, and I mounted them on the tickets. And then here are these flowers. They're kind of fabric and paper and those skeleton leaf things. And this was the packaging that the flowers came in. So I cut out that and mounted it on some pink. And behind here is some pink net. So that's a layer. And then this is a vintage wallpaper with roses on it. And behind that is some music sheet and this kind of translucent paper. So I like to make a little note and sign it and date it. Oh, and this paper rose is from some stationery that I just fussy cut out the rose. Okay, so then I did a companion page with emphasis on blue. And here's another one of those paper roses, and this is a yellow one from that same package. And I think somebody might have used some colored pencils to pencil in that. And I used the rest of it in another thing that I'll show next. And these are those library card catalog. Is it library catalog cards? So there were two of them, and I put them together with Brad. And this is the note that Lynn wrote to go with the package. And I added some more of those heads mounted on the blue tickets and hinged. I tore it apart and hinged it together so you could lift it up and see what's inside. And this was something, and that was something else. So those were really cute pages. Okay, so then Lynn sent me this record cover. I think you can see inside it. It's that kind of heavy cardstock, not cardstock, but something else. What is it called? And then I decoupaged these dictionary pages. So here's one, here's two, and I used the cut off sides on the other side. Then I just decoupaged some miscellaneous stuff. And here's the other side. The main base is this wine cork scrapbook paper, and I used the dictionary pages there and over here, and used some leftovers to make a cute border at the top. And here's some more of those florals that have been colored in. Pretty sure somebody did that. Yeah, it wasn't printed that way. So anyway, that was really cute. And then to go inside this is this junk journal. So it was all done with things that Lynn sent. I used some leftover, I think that's from the dictionary pages, as to make decorative corners. Some interesting collage, and this is a page from Lynn's zine that she sent me a copy of, and I didn't want to destroy that, so I kept that intact. Okay, and here's some more things. These are Lynn's original artwork. And then here's the inside, is just some loose papers that I can use to continue to journal or decoupage, collage. The other side of Lynn's artwork and the other side of that zine. And here's some miscellaneous collages with some things that she sent. So that is what you can do with Happy Mail, or things from Lynn's Patreon, things that she sends every month. I'm very happy with this. Thanks, Lynn.